Our main use for Wise Pelican actually has been in creating our own newsletter. Using the Wise Pelican system, we did $5.17 million in sales, and that put $144,900 in our pocket. We're 95% referral. So last year we did about 30 transactions, and half of those were listings. We have a QR code we added to these for home values at the top. And we have had an increase in the amount of people requesting their home values, which I think also has attributed to us getting more listings because we're capturing those people when they're starting to think about it. As a whole, I would just say that things have gone up. Each agent has their own branded newsletter, which is really nice. There's no minimums, there's no maximums, so it really fits within every agent's budget. I do have an agent that, actually two of them, who have committed to doing the newsletters on a regular basis. And the one agent's production is up 120% this year. And then the other agent, her production was up over 100% last year. So I definitely am a firm believer in being consistent with doing personalized mailings. I think it definitely helps with my agent retention, because it's a service that we do for the agents. Offering the opportunity for us to design it for them and to send it for them helps to take that off their plate. And Wise Pelican makes that super easy for us to do. We've always had some sort of mailers that we've done, but I really feel like when we went to Wise Pelican, it upgraded that and it made sure that we were more consistent because we were doing a lot of things in-house. And when things got busy, we would, neglect doing it on time or not getting things done and not getting it mailed or not getting it to the post office. And so with Wise Pelican, it's been great because it's allowed us to use Canva to keep our brand. We can just upload it in there and send it and we're done. But I just can't say enough about the quality of the newsletters. I definitely use the advanced editor the most because of the fact that we do our own design for our newsletter. I think the part that's surprising is the ease of changing out your list. I like that I can download the list and look real quick to see who's all the people that it's currently going to. The other thing I like is when we do any of the postcards, the templates are already there. There's so many good templates. I've seen postcards that go out from other companies and I get them and I'm always in the trash. I don't feel like it really gives me the information I want. I already have recommended Wise Pelican to so many people. I don't think that you can afford not to do it. If you want to get something out, you can get something out and do it really quickly, even without having a lot of training, or you could probably figure it out without even having to watch one video. For what we pay for this newsletter, I'm very happy with the quality, and everything that I've ever done through Wise Pelican has been great quality.